Hi, my name is Maddie, and I'm going to be walking you through a smooth and pebbled leather care tutorial today. It's important to protect your leather products because Poppy Barley products are not pre-treated. Protecting your products leaves them clean, shiny, and looking their best. We recommend protecting your shoes every 8 to 10 wears. To maintain the quality of your products, you can follow these 4 steps. The first step is giving an overall clean to your product with just a damp cloth using water. You don't need much, a little goes a long way. You can give an overall wipe to get rid of any dirt, grime, or salt stains. The next step is conditioner. We use a colorless conditioner for this particular product, but you can use any conditioner that works for your color of shoes. Using a different part of the cloth, we'll apply lightly. Again, a little goes a long way. Using a conditioner helps with water retention within the leather, keeping everything moist, supple, and looking its best. Once the conditioner has dried, you can use a polish. Again, we're using a colorless polish, but you can use any color of polish that works best for your shoes. Using a different part of the cloth, we apply the polish like you did the conditioner. Polish is used for color maintenance and shine. If you would like, if you have a brush, you can now take the time to give the shoe or boot a brush. This helps with shine as well. Finally, you'll want to spray your boots with a protectant spray to protect them from the elements. Make sure you're getting the entire shoe, including any exposed wood or leather sole detailing. Thank you for watching our smooth and pebbled leather care tutorial. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to our team at concierge@poppybarley.com.